Good day guys, it's Mr. Na Gold Digger, and today I'll be showing you how I got stopped out on a sell trade and how I got another beautiful entry, a sell entry on XAUSSD. So stick to the end of this video guys. Let's get right into it. So guys, I was looking for a sell at this supply zone right here, thinking that this was a liquidity sweep, that market is going to crash to the downside like this, but not knowing that this was not a liquidity sweep, it was just a break of this zone, of this last supply zone, and a manipulation because markets have not grabbed enough sufficient liquidity before heading to the downside. And as you can see, I entered based on the mitigation of the liquidity that I was expecting. But unfortunately for us, it was an invalid setup. Market stopped us out, sweeping liquidity above this swing high right here before heading to the downside. And as you can see right here, how I got my second position was the mitigation of this zone here, of this liquidity zone. That's when I got my second entry. So I patiently waited for what, another entry confirmation, which is what, mitigation of our supply zone before entering for the trade. So that's how I got this second trade, guys. So one thing I'm taking from this trade, this my lost trade right here, is that you should always wait for what, a breakup structure, a valid breakup structure, either to the downside or to the upside, so that you can clearly interpret what the market sentiment is. So guys, a loss doesn't change anything. It's part of the trading game. What matters most is how you react to the outcome of the trade, because at the end of the day, we can't control the outcome, but we can control how we react to the outcome. Did you stick to your plan? Are you disciplined enough? That's the question you should be asking yourself as a trader. So guys, that's everything for today's video. By tomorrow, I'll be showing you the outcome of my second trade. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.